In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Report is Freshsales Studio. If you have ever wanted a clear snapshot of what is happening in your pipeline, creating a report is the right move. It lets you choose specific information, apply filters, and group results so you can review deals or contacts in a way that is easy to understand. To begin, open Freshsales Studio and look at the left-hand sidebar. In the next moment, click Analytics in the sidebar. This section is where Freshsales brings together the reporting and performance tools, so choosing Analytics is the first step toward building your custom view. Once you click Analytics, you will see options related to reports. Next, click Plus New Report. This is the point where Freshsales switches from viewing existing insights to creating something new that matches your needs. Now that the new report screen is open, take a moment to find the area where widgets are managed. Click Add Widgets and choose Template. Templates help you get started faster because they set up a basic layout for the type of report you want. It also reduces the amount of setup required since you are starting from a structure that already makes sense. After selecting the template, Freshsales will ask you what type of data you want the report to focus on. Select Deals or Contacts. If you are tracking activity related to selling, choose Deals. If your goal is to understand people in your system, choose Contacts. Choosing the correct category ensures that the fields and filters you select later will match the information you want. Next, you will customize the report by selecting the fields you want to display. Drag and drop your required fields. This is where you decide exactly what appears in your report. As you do this, watch the report canvas or the widget area, because you will typically see the fields you add appear in the layout right away. To keep the report relevant, you will then set conditions. Move to the Filter section and set criteria there. Filters help you narrow the results, such as focusing on a particular time range, a specific status, or a defined subset of data. Taking a moment to configure filters is important because it prevents your report from showing everything and instead highlights what you actually care about. After filtering, you may want a more organized summary. This is optional, but if you want to summarize results, select a group by field if using summary. Grouping lets Freshsales combine the data by a selected attribute, such as grouping by stage, owner, or another category that fits your reporting goal. This makes trends easier to spot because similar items are presented together. Once all the right fields, filters, and grouping options are in place, you are ready to store your report. Click Save, name your report, use a clear name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more reports over time. Saving also ensures your settings are preserved so you can revisit the same view whenever you need it. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create a report in Freshsales Studio, from opening analytics to saving a finished report you can use again and again.